Hi, let's take a look at the word me in Dutch in this video and how you can use it, etc., etc. So, how can you use it? Well, for example, in this sentence, praat je mee? And as an English speaker, you would be like, okay, praten, that's to talk. And you talk, okay, praat je mee? Are you talking to me? Does it mean, are you talking to me? And no, it does not mean, are you talking to me? Me and me do not mean the same. Me, that's me in English, and me means something else. And that is why many students, sometimes their instinct says, because you could interpret it as, are you talking to me? But it does not mean, are you talking to me? What does it mean? Well, are you talking with us? Okay, but where's the us and where's the with? Well, that's me. Me means along, with somebody. Let's see a few more examples. Ik neem het cadeau mee. I take the present with me. Or I take the present along. So mee means with someone, but the someone can be anything. In this case, ik neem het cadeau mee. I am taking the present with me, or I'm taking along it with myself. All right? Praat je mee? Well, are you talking along? But it actually means, well, are you talking with us? Can you come and talk with us or with the persons that are there? So you don't know exactly. You have to know from the context with whom it exactly is you're talking with. Another example is ze doen mee. They do along. Okay, what does that mean? And there you need to feel it a little bit. They participate. To do along, that's to participate in Dutch. Good. So you have to interpret sometimes a little bit. For example, ik ben me. And you would think, I am me? No. I am along. But what does that mean? I am along. Well, it means that you get it. You understand it. When someone makes a joke or some reference, and then you understand the reference, and you say, ik ben me. I am along. You could also ask the question, ben je mee? Are you understanding it? Are you getting it? All right? And one sentence with me and me together is neem je me mee? And if you don't know what me means, it's like, whoa, what me? So twice, what's happening? So, are you taking me along? Are you taking me with you? All right? So that's the meaning of me. Along. And it can change the meaning, meenemen, to take with you, or meedoen, to participate. It can change a little the meaning of the verb, so pay attention to the verb, see if you can somehow get it from the context, but it always has a meaning of along. However, unfortunately, we're not done yet. Me is also used for something different, and let's see an example here. Hier werk ik niet mee. Here I don't work along. This is a special case. You could also write hiermee werk ik niet. Herewith. And it actually means with this. Okay. But what's the here doing there? Well, that's something special in Dutch. Here, the here means this. And can you say, ik werk niet met dit? I don't work with this. No, you have to say hiermee, or hier werk ik mee. And it's the same for daar, with that. daarmee werk ik niet. So pay attention, and it can be split up. So if you see the me there, it can be something split up from here and me. And because this is a little trickier, there's another video that will appear at the end of this video that can lead you to more explanations about this here and the me. And the me, it's very important to know, it comes from the met. And with this here and this daar, it changes into me. So met means with. Me also means with this, with that. Good. This question was asked by Avon. If you have more questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. And if you're interested in this hierme, daarmee, it's also with other prepositions. For example, hierdoor, because of this, or hiervan, of this. We also use this here and there, so I hope I've made you really excited to click on the video that's there above. So, see you there and tot ziens!